Hi, I'm Marna, and I recently went to the Meet Me in St. Louis doll show, and we met several other, in fact, 9 other channels, YouTubers, and it was fantastic. It was like a party, hear my voice, it was like a party from Sunday through Wednesday for us. We left a day early. But it was fun. We laughed and we joked and we laughed some more, and we were loud and had such a good time. We went to breakfast at this place called Breakfast, Lunch, and Tacos. They had a place for us to spread out and be loud, and they didn't care. But I wanted to show you the dolls that I bought at the doll show, and I wasn't going to buy a doll. I mean, I didn't go there saying, I'm not buying a doll. It was just, I wasn't looking for anything. But as we look through the floor of the show, here's her little shoes, all her papers and everything are here. She does not have a stand, but look at my new Jean doll. Oops, her back came undone. Let me fix that real quick if I can. It's kind of tricky, this one. It's like they got the snap over about an 1/8 inch too far. And if you sew, you know exactly what I'm saying. Ah, I missed it again. Anyway, this vendor had several beautiful, beautiful dolls. We all mentioned Tammy Polly when we saw the Eloise dolls. She had those, she had Jean dolls, she had the high-end Barbies. I can't get this right now. I'm just going to move on. Anyway, this doll was at $40, and I got her for $35. She does have bendable knees, and that was my attraction to her. Well, that, and she's a Jean doll. Beautiful, beautiful doll. She will sit beautifully on a chair. She's very tightly jointed. I like that. I only have one other dark-haired Jean doll. Funny thing about that vendor, we all bought from her. She was quite happy with our little group. Look at these shoes. Jean dolls are just fantastic. Just fantastic. I love them. So I got this doll, and that's all I was going to get. Like I said, I was not looking to buy dolls. I was looking for the good time, and it was so fun to see all the dolls. A lot of types that I do not collect, so I wasn't really interested, but I enjoy seeing them. You know, we all have that in common. Doesn't matter what kind of dolls one another have, still dolls. So the last day of the show, we all went back, and I had been to this one vendor before. Where is the Barbie? And she had this Barbie. This is not an original. Oh, her shoe is in there. I will get that shoe out. But she is a reproduction from the 1980s, I believe the girl said. She was asking $20, and she said she was going to take 10 on the last day. You know what I wanted? I wanted this outfit because I have this same Mattel one year in the 60s. I think it was 64, but I couldn't swear to it. It could have been 65. Bought evidently a whole bunch of red velvet and white satin. And I have this same fabrics and overall general looking outfit on my on a Chatty Cathy and a Chatty Charmin Chatty. Well, while I was looking at that, my eyes caught the corner of Jean dolls. I should get stands out. And she had these beautiful Jean dolls, and what they were doing was liquidating their own collection. And she said, you know, make an offer. Well, if you know me, if you say make an offer, I'm going low. And I did. I offered her $80 for the 4 dolls. And it only took her about a second to say, would you go 100? So I did. I got all of these dolls for $100, and I was quite amazed. One is missing shoes, but you know I don't care about that. These two should have their shoes. Is her shoe still there? I know it's here. I know that. I knew one was loose. All three of the Jean dolls have stands. Here's her shoe. And here we go. The other doll missing the shoes, I don't care. Darren has made a model, which is a pattern for Jean doll feet, and I make them shoes. May not be quality of Jean dolls, but I have fun with them. I'm very happy to have these 4 Jean dolls. And a funny thing happened. Jamie bought some dolls from Let's Talk About It with Jamie. It was getting rid of the boxes, and guess what she had? Like I said, everybody bought from that one girl, and I think this came from her. But I have this box to put one of these dolls in. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.